When you're dreaming of warm sunshine, blue seas, and a relaxing escape, but your credit cards aren't ready for a splurge, it's time to plan a getaway that won't break the bank. Naturally, hotel prices vary by season and demand, so between December and April, when travelers are seeking to escape the cold, a Caribbean vacation will generally be pricier. With all this in mind, here are some of the best cheap Caribbean vacations to consider for those traveling on a budget. Number 1 on our list has so many convenient flights from the US and is just 3 hours away from Miami, so stick around till the end of this video. Number 11 on our list is Colombia. Colombia is just beginning to be appreciated as a beach destination, reflected in prices for vacationing there. The historic city of Cartagena features a charming old town, gorgeous beaches, and much more to explore. Nearby on the coast, Santa Marta and Rodadero offers beautiful beaches. The December and January holiday season sees higher prices, but just as in other tropical destinations. Travel during shoulder months can be a bargain. Street food, bed and breakfast, and local restaurants also keep the prices down. Number 10. Belize. The Caribbean coast of Belize combines sandy beaches, offshore caves, abundant wildlife, Mayan ruins, and rainforests. Guest rooms and small hotels, casual resorts, and inns offer places to stay for even the tightest of budgets, and local spots to dine are aplenty. Number 9. Curaçao. Located in the southern Caribbean, just off the coast of Venezuela, Curaçao is outside the hurricane zone, so even if you visit in the late summer or early fall, there's a great and little risk of a storm interrupting your trip. Gorgeous beaches, stunning national parks, lively nightlife, and a variety of casual eateries also make it easy to stay within a reasonable budget. Number 8. Cancun, Mexico. One of Mexico's most popular tourist areas, Cancun offers plenty of public beaches in addition to affordable hotels. Enjoy colorful outdoor art, markets, parks, street food, and stunning views with a stroll along the Malecón Tajamar. Number 7. Caribbean Cruise, Royal Caribbean. The ship spent days at Tobago, Trinidad, Grenada, St. Vincent, Dominica, and St. Lucia before returning to Bridgetown, an ocean view stateroom for a solo traveler. Number 6. Caribbean Cruise, Norwegian Cruise Line. Prices depend on stateroom, but for a single traveler, an ocean view room starts around $800. For two travelers sharing a room, the cost is approximately $520 each. Balcony rooms are significantly higher, and optional excursions are additional. Number 5. The Dominican Republic. Consider whether you want to take advantage of the meals, beverages, entertainment, and amenities of an all-inclusive package, and if so, you may find some great deals. If not, with a reasonable price hotel, you can still have access to miles of beaches, lots of dining options, and plenty to do. If you've actually gotten this far in this video, that means you find it really interesting. So do well to appreciate us with a smash and like button. Number 4. Nicaragua. The Central American country borders both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. The relatively untouched eastern shores include fishing, villages, mangroves, and secluded beaches. One of the Caribbean's most affordable destinations, Nicaragua is also known for its volcanoes, beaches, and surfing. Number 3. Barbados. One of the easternmost islands of the Caribbean, Barbados is a great off-season destination. Thanks to its location outside the hurricane belt, you can take advantage of low-rate summer to early fall rates and enjoy sunshine without weather worries. Number 2. Bahamas. Elegant resorts, all-inclusive hotels and budget-friendly accommodations offer a wide variety of places to stay, and prices vary based on the season. Enjoy local food, beer and rum cocktails to get in the Bahamas spirit while saving a few dollars. Now to our number 1 spot. The best budget-friendly Caribbean location to spend your vacation, Puerto Rico. Located less than 3 hours from Miami, with convenient flights from many major U.S. airports, Puerto Rico offers a wide variety of beaches and places to stay, including several attractive budget options. Explore the country's history with a walk through Old San Juan and visit El Yunque National Forest for a change of scenery from the sunny beaches. Eat at local restaurants for delicious food at affordable prices. There you have it, the 11 budget-friendly Caribbean countries for travelers. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for most interesting videos.